Hello friends, today we are going to start subject Science and Technology part 2, that is Science 2. The first lesson in this Science 2 is classification of plants. First of all, who would tell me what is classification and why it is necessary? Organisms present in the world classified into small groups. But how? Then, on the basis of similar characters or differences among them, all the organisms divided into small groups, that is classification. Means that is the definition of classification. On the basis of some similarities and some differences, organism divided into small groups, that is called classification. Why it is necessary to study in detail and scientifically classification of organisms is essential. Means if you have question in the paper, what is classification and why it is necessary, already I told just now. Already in standard 8, you all have studied the classification of microorganisms. American ecologist Robert Whitaker proposed 5 kingdom system for the classification of organisms. First of all, we revise this topic before start the first chapter. What is 5 kingdom system? All the living organisms present on the earth divided into 2 groups. Robert Whitaker proposed that 5 kingdom system. First of all the organisms, he divide the 2 groups on the basis of complexity of cell, that is structure of cell. 2 groups, first prokaryotic and second eukaryotic. What is prokaryotic and what is eukaryotic? Try to understand here. All of you know the basic unit of organism is cell. All the organisms made up of cell. Cell having the parts, cell wall, protoplasm, nucleus, like this. If cell having the nucleus without nuclear membrane, means that is the cell, protoplasm is here, DNA threads are here, but nuclear membrane is absent, then that cell is called as prokaryotic cell. Those organisms made up of by this type of cells called prokaryotic. And in other hand, if the cell having nucleus with nuclear membrane, a prominent nucleus present here, then that cell is called as eukaryotic cell. In Marathi, these two groups called आदि केंद्रकी and दृश्य केंद्रकी. Clear? All the prokaryotic organisms constitute a kingdom Monera. Now, eukaryotic organisms divide into two groups on the basis of body structure. If the organism body is made up of single cell, then it is called as unicellular organism. And while the body of organism made up of many cells, more than one, then it is called as multicellular organisms. All the unicellular organisms include in kingdom Protista. In Marathi say Adijiv. Somebody have doubt just now. This group also have single cell, this group also have single cell body. But carefully listen. Here the cell without nuclear membrane to nucleus. Here the cell with nuclear membrane to nucleus. That is the main difference. All the bacteria include here, but here organisms like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. etc. here. Now the multicellular organisms again divide into two groups. These organisms having cells with cell wall. Cell wall, do you know? That is the outer covering of cell, which is do the function protection and transportation. If cell wall present, then that organism included this group. Some organisms having cells but without cell wall, then that group is forming a kingdom Animalia. With the cell wall organisms again divided into two groups. First group is autotroph and second group is heterotroph. Means on the basis of mode of nutrition, these two groups form here. Autotrophs Swayamposhi, heterotrophs Paraposhi. All the green plants, those consist of chloroplast. Because of chloroplast, all the plants having green color. These are plastics. All the chloroplasts which are present in the plants do the function of photosynthesis. These organisms prepare their own food with the help of chloroplast by the process of photosynthesis. That is why called autotrophs. If you have a question paper, why the green plants called autotrophs, then you can explain it. Green plants possesses chloroplast. With the help of chloroplast, they can prepare their own food, so called as autotrophs. And this is the fourth kingdom, that is planting. And the next group of organism not possesses chloroplast. That is why cannot prepare their own food and so called as heterotroph. That organisms consist or composing a group called as kingdom fungi. Now I clear you 5 kingdoms. Which are they? Monera, the first kingdom, Protista, the second kingdom, fungi, the third kingdom. All these 3 kingdoms already you have studied in standard 8. Now you start study for the kingdom planting. In 9th class we study the kingdom planting, and in future in standard 10 you will study the kingdom animal. These 5 kingdoms just we overlook before starting the first chapter. Okay? Now we start the chapter plant classification. Okay?